Greeting. Today we'll explore the subject of the Advanced Diagnostic Hearing Test. Why do I need an Advanced Diagnostic Hearing Test? The Advanced Diagnostic Hearing Test is a baseline test if you never had it before. It provides in-depth diagnostic data to our clinicians to build your audiology treatment plan. It is also specifically designed for adults who have concerns about working in loud, noisy environments for extended periods. It is also suitable for individuals experiencing non-bothersome tinnitus, sound sensitivity, hyperacusis, noticeable hearing loss, or those on ototoxicity medication or hearing treatment that has not been effective in the past. Tests performed during this appointment. Pure tone test. This test uses pure tone sounds based on frequency. Otoscope is used to look in the patient's ear to understand the listening ability. Speech reception threshold. SRT test. In this test, the audiologist asks the patient to repeat known words played at different volumes, gradually hearing loss. Word recognition score WRS. In this test, the audiologist asks the patient to repeat a list of unknown single-syllable words back to them at the speech recognition threshold. Most comfortable loudest level MCL. In this test, the audiologist finds the loudest quickslen. Comfortable volume for the patient by gradually increasing the volume of audio. Uncomfortable loudness level, UCL. In this test, the patient, similarly to MCL, cooperates with the audiologist to find the volume where it becomes uncomfortable. Tympanometry. In this test, we use a special machine to add pressure into the ear to see if there is any fluid or air behind the eardrum and to make sure the middle ear works fine. High-frequency audiometry. In this test, the audiologist will perform the normal air conduction method using headphones or earphones to present pure tones starting from 0 Hz, gradually increasing to 1D000 Hz, human stated max threshold. Masking. The purpose of this test is for the audiologist to test, as for the audiologist to observe if either ear has hearing loss, as it can be the case that one ear has hearing loss and another doesn't. Thank you for watching the video. Book your appointment today for an advanced diagnostic hearing test. Every ear needs care.